In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto send emails with Gmail and n8n. So let's get started. So open up n8n and log into your n8n account. So in your n8n account here, click on create workflow, which is on your top right there, to open up a new workflow. So once you're on this page here, click on add first step. And then from here, you're going to select on a schedule. Click on a schedule. And then here the trigger interval, you can set it to like seconds, and then the seconds you can just put it like 5 seconds. Okay, and then once that's done, you can go back to here, the canvas, and then now click on the add icon here. So click on the add icon, and from here you go to choose look for Gmail. Okay, type in Gmail, search for it, click on Gmail, and then from here, so we're going to select under the action, we're going to click send a message because we want to automatically send a message. So click on send a message, and we go to like set up these parameters here. So firstly, connect your Google account. So click on this credential and then click on create new credentials. Okay, click on create new credentials, and then what we can do is you're going to connect your Gmail account. So in this case, you can simply click on sign in with Google to just link your Gmail, and it will ask you for your authorization. So you might have to log in with your credentials and authorize it to get this connection done. Okay, so once you have selected your account, and then what we're going to do, you're going to just click on this checkbox here to allow n8n to access your Gmail, and then click on continue and complete the linking process. And once this is complete, you'll see that your Google Gmail account has now been connected with n8n. And once that's done, you can see you'll get a connection successful message here like this. So once this is done, so you'll see that your account now has been connected. Okay, so this is done. So you can just go back here, and then here you can choose the operation. You can leave the message, and operation is we're going to send a message, and here is where you need to input the email address. So where you want to send it to, just type in that email address here. Okay, so plug in the email address and then the subject. So whatever you want to put as the subject for the email, you can put that in, and then the email type you can choose HTML or text. So I'll just leave it as text, it's up to you. And message, whatever your message is. Okay, just type that in, and once you're done with that everything, you're going to click on execute step. Okay, and once you click on execute step, you'll see that this is being set up, and here it says has been successfully set. And you can just go back to your Canva here, and you can simply test this by clicking on execute workflow, and that's basically pretty much it is.